And testing. Okay. And we're back with Enchanted by Nature. Um, I'm recording it today, but you're not going to see it today. Just 'cause. Uh, oh, she's still at the restaurant. Well, come home then. I have been playing so many other games lately. It's been nice. But obviously, we have other things we need to get back to, especially new things. All right, now it's 2:30. Okay, all right. Her stay over pretty much just started still, but we're clearly miserable. So no, no, no. Regenerate your emotional force at least if you're gonna be in there. Don't pout. I saw that lag. Mm. Why are you crying? Oh, she's watching TV. Oh, see, that fills up really fast, which is good because they gave us all those other ways to get it up, but I don't want to right now. In fact, I don't know what I want to do. I just felt like playing. And now she's miserable and gonna go cry about it. I must get her a moodlet solver. I will go find her. I think she lives in Everdew. Uh, Alright. She's also exhausted. But sure, the more the merrier. Everybody come to the party. I have absolutely nothing planned. Because why would I? I didn't even notice that I got an ability point. Um, cure or apply ailment. I should probably go with that. I heard there was people talking about it. Um, the ailment glitch. Like it's popping up more often than it's supposed to. So I'm sure they're working on it. Make sure we speed through a little bit. Family recipe? I'm not interested in your pranks. Um, interesting. Do I want to meet this person? I mean, we have Naja, but she's not our girlfriend. Let's see, who are you? I know that's him. Mary? Which Mary? What, you think I can make you young again? Greenberg, that, I realized after I recorded the part that I had called Knox something else. I forgot which name I called him. But this is his mom or his other mom? I don't know. But I don't think you should be dating anybody. I'm gonna send her home. You already have someone, Miss. But she appreciates the sentiment. We'll go give Boots some attention. She keeps following us around anyhow. The only missed opportunity is for them to shrink and then ride their pets. It's like, oh, you have a invisible car that doesn't really work. I have a Savannah. I imagine their energy goes up higher when they're in the fairy house, but I don't care. I mean, I put you in this house and I give you this nice room, and I realize I still don't have any clothes there. Uh, I want her to sleep in this room. What is it? Mm, actually, we have a lot of those. Is it this one? No. Cancel. Yeah, that's good enough, I suppose. Can you also put shoes there? Uh, you can. I I don't regularly use these. Maybe I should. But yes, come get some proper rest. It's like sleeping in a fairy tale. Speaking of, I should probably build a cafe as well. The Sims don't need all these spots. Are you coming here? She really does like that mirror there. Care to attend the moon revelry with me? It's on the shore, out by the ancestor cliff in Whispering Glen. We can swim, mood bathe, watch the stars, play music, and dance around the bonfire. It's always wildest during the full moon, but I love it any night. Okay, I guess. Karen trying to be friendly. The Karens have really ruined the name Karen. Um, but it's a term now, and everyone knows what it means. Well, I guess if you don't know what it means, it's those customers that are not difficult, but you need to watch them because they can be quite messed up. I mean, a customer can be annoying and can really test your patience, but you'll get over it. Karens are far beyond that. Um, I thought you said we were near the water. Are you talking about over here? Where is this water of which you speak? Ah, all the way over here. Visit gemologist statue? Okay, let's fly here together. I'll speed up so I can get through here. What's this? Oh, survived food poisoning. Right, because she was poisoned by her regurgitated candy. Can they even get in this water? I don't think so. Well, they can fish. I need to give Karen a makeover. Well, fine, let's stargaze then. That's what you called me over here for, right? You can sleep later. You agreed to come out with Karen. I feel the need to oversay it. Karen isn't as bad as a Karen. Now we're good friends. Why? Since when were we friends at all? Actually, is what I'd like to know. I don't think you can steal her away from Nadia. Well, I don't know. Maybe with a makeover. I'm seeing her with different hair. I'm gonna take away her platinum hair, though. Yeah, it's a thing. It must happen. I guess after they hang out a bit. What do they do for this? I think this is an event for, what was it? Life and death? But I don't know. Usually they're supposed to show up somewhere, right? Right, like see how that says thin veil. First quarter moon. But yeah, there's nothing really here today. Well, then why did you invite me? Okay, whatever. Clearly, she desired my attention. That's disrespectful. It it's not. I'm just picturing what we're gonna do to her. Oh, and I forgot to make it so that Penelope can get Nadja pregnant. It's gonna happen. It's a must. It's needed. Magic fairy, whatever. I don't care. There's not that much backstory. It's not that deep. No, we're not looking for love. I mean, technically, we have it. And aren't they just the best buddies ever in the whole world? We don't know how it happened. It's just there. Oh, and she's napping. Okay, okay, I get it. You're tired. Let me save. And we're going to go find Karen and probably delete some excess townies. The game seems to have settled. It's like, how The Sims 4 is. Even when it decides that it loves your computer, sometimes it needs a couple minutes. I know, and it's going to keep telling me about that because it thinks everything is new again. Well, it's not. I know. I mean, I guess I could technically turn it on for a bit. I don't know why I have them saved. Oh, that's right. I wanted her to meet Darren. Or Daryl, I think is his name. That's why I gave him the nice makeover. I don't know why I kept that household. Um, I think the Heckings can have it. Mystical besties, my butt. I do need her saved. You guys can have a life, I suppose. Land grabs too. Once I was scrolling through all of them, played, unplayed, household, with, without, non-worlds. You gotta click all those, or else the game goes stupid. Okay, we don't want too many of these singles here. We don't need that many. Well, actually, I like him. She's more plain. What? You know, I am being let down by the townies today. I tell you that. Now, see how small that bar is? That's what I was saying in the other episode. I think it was the episode where a large chunk of it wasn't worth watching. So, I did see someone mentioned that their game was spamming like 200 plus, not in world sims. So, sometimes you just want to take a look and delete sims you're not familiar with, or delete all of them. Who cares? The game will generate more. I guess I can have them. Uh, well, he has to exist. Did I pass right by her and I didn't notice? Oh, does she live somewhere? And I'm not paying attention? Okay, not in world. We want, gosh, where is it? This should be alphabetical so I can find things. Oh, there it is. Okay, I don't see her. I didn't accidentally delete her, did I? Not looking for pictures. I'm looking to see. Hmm. Okay, we're gonna have to go find her before she disappears. She might be a special sim. Well, I mean, she is a special sim, but those ones that are difficult in Managed World for absolutely no reason. No, she's still here. Okay, so we're gonna save it in case it gives me an attitude. I mean, I might have scrolled past her, especially if she's living with someone with a different last name. But testing sheets on, cast off full edit mode on, and we're gonna modify her in cast. Like how Greg is special, and if you want to interact with him, you gotta cheat and remove his Greg trait. I think you can eventually romance him without cheating, but it's really difficult because obviously the Sims are terrified of him. Okay, so she lives by herself. But, and that's what you look like, human. Oh, she's beefy. And also sickly. Let's put some meat on her bones. How old is she was? Oh yeah, she's an adult. Well, you're quite pretty. What am I doing? I'm gonna make her lips a little smaller. I just want her face longer. I don't care what you say. I know what I like, and I like what I like. I don't care. Your hair is now black. And everything matches. Okay, okay. I'm not sure what was on her. These are not new. Liar. Alright, it's the standard teeth I want, isn't it? I mean, I do like that hair quite a lot, but I rarely will just leave the hairstyle when I add people. Although maybe it should still be long and slinky. I don't really know what I want to do with her now. Or maybe I'll cut it. No. I still have yet to find someone who looks good as in that haircut. Unless you're making an Edna Mode. It's for no one. If you don't know who that is, shame on you. Go look up Edna Mode. She's from Pixar, but she's not embraced the thickness. No, no. That also looks nice. Yeah, actually, I like that. And no, it's not all new. Actually, we're gonna close her eyes a little bit because I think it looks nice. But no, not that eyeshadow. Good heavens. We're not gonna be in here forever. I mean, I guess we'll be here for a while. We're gonna give you eyelashes. And you should always have eyeliner and some sort of darkness there. Why does it say masculine? Special. Or maybe that one, that really dark red. Turn it down. Well, not that much. Figured. That one usually looks good at the Sims. No. There we go. Because I frickin' say so, and she needs some piercings. That's not even where the piercings are, but whatever. You didn't see that. Go away. No. I mean, she can wear both, but this one. We need more lip rings. And we want her to have... it's gotta be on both because it's on that side. A purple one? Or maybe a red one? We'll probably take them off for sleep. Well, or not. I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're talking about. And tattoo. And stand up like you have some sense. Okay. We embracing the thickness? Just a little bit? Yes. And no, it's not going away. I will not stop, and you can't make me. I don't know why that happens to the pinkies sometimes. I think it has to do with something in the male clothing. Also happens to dudes. I've seen that. See, that doesn't look right. Well, we're going to put her in something feminine anyways. Because those clothes keep messing up. And I not want, actually. So we're gonna Wish we could look at Enchanted by Nature. Or maybe business and hobbies. Okay. I know. And there we go. Her finger's fixed. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's all of the male clothes. It's just some of them. They do that. And that's not fair. Which is unfortunate because I give my guys nail polish too. That they have nice, sexy nails. Also legs. Okay. Uh, you want business hobbies again, or maybe life and death? I could find that acceptable, but we're still going to give her some red. Look, she looks like a completely different sim already. And I'll give you some nice high heels because I like it. Perfect. You know, I'm not sold though on those specific nails. Now in The Sims 3, if you want nails, I don't know if there's like something that you buy. I'm sure there's custom content, yeah, whatever. I'm not sure if there's something on the Sims 3 store, but for them, all they have are the claws. So you can put those on and then you can pick a color from the color wheel. So obviously I prefer the nails in Sims 4, but you work with what you got. Bright red nails. Should I give her a tattoo? Maybe. I actually quite like that. Yes. And it shows just how I want. Ugh. I gotta sneeze. Can't sneeze. That hurts my back. Actually, the other day, not everybody's gonna see that, but oh yeah, that's actually really nice. The other day I was riding an Uber with Pylos, and we almost got in a car accident. My back got a little bit yanked because someone was in this giant truck turning suddenly and not paying attention. But thankfully, our Uber driver knew how to stop when it was needed. But yeah, I like these ones. You can wear the damn suit. I don't care. But you're gonna wear it my way. No glitches. Where did this come from? I don't like it. I have never liked this hair, even when it was all that we had to work with. Well, I mean, not all that we had, but when it was just base game, it never worked for me. Why would it be shorter than irregular hair? I mean, it can be. Call it magic. Now I feel like her head's not long enough. A little bit longer. Okay. I don't actually like that hair on her specifically. And now I don't like her profile. I'm very particular. Shows what you're working with. Her swimwear. Nope. And you can get mad all you want. I don't care. It's my freaking game. If I want it a certain way, I will have it. Besides, look how pretty she is. I wouldn't put that outfit on anybody. uh, I still have mixed feelings about that dress. Okay, I do. That's much cuter. Mhm. Or maybe sandals. Those come in black. There we go. Yeah, I actually don't mind that. Yes, just for fun. All right. Now we're gonna unlink them and give her a little fix up. And her wings, let's make them bigger, but still red and black where needed. Another red? No, that should be black. Or iridescent, I think. That looks nice. I know, I've been creating some a while, but this is gonna be quick. Okay. Now we're gonna work backwards. I'm kidding. Or am I? You'll never know. That's not red and black like I was promised. Good enough. Let it all hang out. Was I kidding? Just then? Nope, you still don't know. Oh well. Let's get classical. Well, I guess you could wear this one. Or that one. See, that looks better. Did it mess up her finger? See, her finger looks fine in this outfit. So it kind of picks and chooses which outfits are like, no. We're still not wearing the shoes. Yeah, I think she can wear the same outfit in her workout. And her formal. Now, about her main outfit. Not businesses and hobbies? That other one. What was I thinking of? Realm of Magic. So we'll have a longer episode. It's okay. Just a reminder, though. Sometimes OBS glitched. Like, literally, sometimes. I've only had it happen in one video where suddenly it stopped recording my voice, but that wasn't on this computer. So if I do suddenly go quiet, it's not your computer, you're fine. But just to make up for the fact that it's a longer video, and I don't even remember when I started recording. It's okay. I haven't clicked the right button yet. Actually, we didn't have that many outfits from here. Slinky. Wait, what was that? Oh. So the pants were showing different because of the boots. Go back. It untucks the shirt. It wasn't clipping. It just untucked the shirt with the boots. Oh, that's interesting. I actually kind of like that. Maybe I should give her boots. Yeah. Yes, no, maybe. I think so. Wait, has the color for nails changed? I just noticed that. Well, that's fine. We're just gonna give her some face paint though in this form. Yeah, I would love a red one, but I don't think we have red. What if we turn on the saturation? Oh, we have a white one. I guess they all kind of look white. Fine. I do kind of like that one, actually. No, that's suitable, I would think. Okay, okay. I should turn her into a young adult. Should I or shouldn't I? I don't know. No. I like that one. Perfect. I'm gonna save her, so, if you want her, you can get her. The Fairy Council Liaison. Just 'cause. Yeah, obviously. Okay. I was probably in there longer than I really needed to be, but whatever. Perfect. Although, let me see if I can. It's 10:24. Let me travel with her because I want to get a picture with her as well. Uh, Actually, we can do it over here. I think I like Karen because that's my favorite theme. I love red, black, and white. I don't know why. I have always had a slight obsession with it. Like, years. For no reason. That's probably why I like her. But I also like pink, so, you know. Oh, it's doing the glitch. Oh, but it still shows in the... Now, see, the last time I had that glitch, uh, no one else was in the picture. The dark besties. Gotta love that. Alright, well, we're gonna give her a hug and then we're gonna go ahead and disband the group, me would think. Don't tell me you can't give her a hug. You take your butt over there. And don't do a glitch from all across the way. It's gonna do a glitch from across the way, isn't it? so stubborn. Well, not romantic. Um, I am not giving up. Was that so difficult? Honestly. She can't help herself. She's like, oh, darling, you are so easily won. She's like, you know what? You're lucky I don't have a hit me stick right now. And we're going home. It's like we have a stayover guest that we're supposed to be romancing. But we got distracted by this unexpected friendship. Sure, we're just friends. I mean, I suppose it could kind of be a throuple as long as no one's jealous. But it's never that simple. You can't just have, like your cutie princess and your dark, hardcore goth lover and everything goes fine. It will always clash. Especially with someone like Penelope because she doesn't know what she's doing. She's just like, oh, you have lips that I think are pretty. Let's date. Are they still having a party? Oh, or is that fairy dust? Well, let's go get the fairy dust then. And then I don't care what you say. You are sleeping in the house. And decorated for nothing. Shimmy shake, a shimmy shake. Oh, the effects look so pretty. And I will not get over them flying everywhere. And you will just have to deal with it. Life is hard, okay? I just want to like something. Go watch someone else if you want them to complain about everything. So, pixies? Nope, still good. What about this one? These plants don't seem to need much attention. Is it because of fairies living here? I have no idea. I feel like this video is getting long, but we were just in Creative Sim for a while, so we'll just keep it going, even if you can no longer hear me. But I'll check and see. Actually, she looks pretty good. Speaking of, where is Nacho? She's still here? Yeah, she is. Oh, that's right. I had to go find her for something. I need to find out who this woman is that is irrelevant. Oh, they live in the big house. It's okay. She stayed for 2 days. If that wasn't up long enough, is going to the house while you have a stayover guest will make the stayover guests end their visit. But it's fine. I have desires that must be met, and this is how we play The Sims. It's much easier to see now on this computer. Who the hell do you think you are? Red? She's a different red. She's the bad red. She's the red that's in the way. What's their relationship? Well, she's attracted to her. See, I told you she was bad and in the way. Well, you can just go hump a fern because she's taken. She doesn't know it yet, but she is. But let's take a look at their house. Oh, it's pretty. Well, I don't know who made it, but I really like it. Sometimes I forget you can turn the lights off and everything. Or, change their tone. Because usually when I play by myself, I would just turn off the headline effect. So when you do that, you can't see the pop-up that changes the lights. That's pretty. I mean, they're still gonna take a picture together. It's just that she's irrelevant and she doesn't know it yet. Who is that? Was that Penelope? I'm going to look back at that video. I think not. That is Penelope. Is that because she gave you a blessing? So they'll see the little minis floating about them. Also, she's better luck from fairy influence. Um, yeah, that is her. Oh, is she also come? Well, you missed her already. Well, yeah, she does. Just from the right people. Well, where is she? Let me speed it up. You know, you'd think I could spot a blonde fairy in sparklies. Oh, there she is. You think you're subtle, but you're not. Is that why Karen's into you? Um. Well, I said it wrong. Offered a woohoo in the sky. Yeah, let's do that. Us, Karen. Come along. You know you want to. She's like, oh, you followed me home. That is so sweet. I'll go back and create a sim when I feel the need to. Where are they going? How are you gonna just leave? Come back here. She's like, I can't. I have Karen on my head. Now, look, see, that's just causing problems for absolutely no reason. The disrespect, I swear. Did she go to her house, at least? I don't see her. I have mixed feelings. Now, see, this is when the Sims give you a hard time for no reason. Make sure we turn those off. And give it a save. Oh, I'm glad I can properly record now, even though it's been a long time. It's weird to think how long this game has existed, and it has only gotten better. Although there are several things I dislike, we don't really need to dismiss the good stuff. Watch someone else for that. I don't want to. I have to say, Penelope, that was mad disrespectful. Did you want different thickums? Because I don't know the next time you're going to see Karen. Karen. Okay, now even though we just turned it off for saving... Oops. We're going to turn that back on. Cast out full. Edit mode on. And modify her in cast. Yes, I'm still recording. What? Okay, so we're going to make it so that she can get others pregnant. No. She doesn't. Because she's got her eye on more than one person. She looks skinnier. Did you lose weight and I wasn't looking? Are they supposed to have access to the mermaid stuff? I mean, I guess. Let's go ahead and unhook that. You know, actually, we never even see her in this outfit, so I guess I don't necessarily need to change it. With a sprinkle of fairy dust and a little hump, your ladies get the baby bump. You like that? I like that. Testing cheats off. Did it work? Instantly fly here. Sleep here. I mean, I guess technically she could just sleep outside, but I mean, we mostly decorated her house, and I think that's too much effort. I think she is required to sleep in there. You know, I just noticed those handles are leaves. Huh. Alright, well, I mean, if you don't want to talk to Naja right now, I guess we could call Care in. Let's ask her on a date. Well, actually, no, because I need to change Naja. I don't want her to get upset. Well, we'll invite her over, though. Because, you know, they're such good friends, history would say. Wow, she really came over here in 5 seconds flat. She's one of those my girl needs me type of hoes. Oh, they already tugged. Oh, well, now you can't see her shirt untucked in game. Do we have a gift? Not really. Let me buy her one real quick. Oh. Actually, let's do both. We'll get a romantic item. Chocolate strawberries. And then a rose because it's red. It's not that deep, okay? It doesn't have to be. Oh, did I say that she's attracted to women? I forgot to change that. All Sims should just be attracted to anything, and then you decide what they say no to. Dag nabbit. Affection. Oh, glitched. It's not supposed to lay down. Share our candy. She can't help herself. There, now she's got 2 babes. And don't drop it on the floor either. What did I just say? I think they're cute too, actually. And I see my cat being the devil again. Stop messing up my furniture. You have a cat house. Well, I mean, he doesn't, but it's a tree. A squirrel could live in it, therefore, it's a cat house. They have a strong romantic relationship. Well, what's your relationship with Nadia? I mean, you'd think it'd be higher, right? Oh, they're satisfied and their compatibility is amazing, but they have good compatibility. Oh, and she's exhausted. Well, we should probably let her be on her way. You stop being a flirt. Okay. It's probably a good time actually for me to end this part, but um we're gonna go fix Nadia so she doesn't get upset. Just for the sake of the situation. And then we're gonna end it. Because I don't know how long I've been playing. But we were having a jolly good time when I figured out what I felt like doing, which is causing problems. Let's see. Where is it? Let's change that. Sometimes I forget that option is there. Uh, oh, actually, she's already set for that. Well, perfect. Okay, well. For what? I don't really need anything right now. Alright, well, I guess we're heading out. So, like and subscribe if you feel so moved. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.